Ladies and gentlemen, curious minds and fellow learners, welcome to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today we journey into the heart of creation, not the bustling cities or the depths of the oceans, but the quiet green miracle we often overlook, the leaf. Yes, the humble leaf, God's solar panel, his breath of life on earth. Let's begin with plant organization. Plants, our producers, are nervous of design. They don't move, yet they thrive. They don't speak, yet they communicate. Their bodies are organized into roots, stems, and leaves, each playing a vital role in transporting the substances they need to survive. Zoom on in a leaf, and you'll find layers of purpose. The epidermis, higher epidermis and lower epidermis, a transparent skin, protects the leaf while allowing light to pass through. Beneath it lies the palisade mesophyll, tightly packed with chloroplasts, where photosynthesis, the conversion of light into energy, takes place. They are column-shaped cells containing chloroplasts. They are known as palisade mesophyll. Mesophyll means middle leaf. The cells are filled with chloroplasts and carry on most of the photosynthesis in the leaf. Below that, the spongy mesophyll creates air spaces for gas exchange. The cells in the spongy mesophills layer are loosely packed. This creates air spaces inside the leaf to enable gases to move in and out. Oxygen out, carbon dioxide in. It's a divine choreography of light and breath. There are not as many chloroplasts in the spongy mesophyll cells as there are in the palisade mesophyll cells, but photosynthesis still occurs in the spongy mesophyll layer. Photosynthesis is the intake of sunlight rays, carbon dioxide, and water, converting to molecular oxygen, sugar in form of glucose. Let's talk about the plant transportation tissues. How do substances move? Enter the xylem and phloem, the highways of the plant. Xylem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. It's a one-way trip powered by evaporation. Phloem, on the other hand, distributes the sugars made during photosynthesis. It's a two-way street, feeding every part of the plant. So, xylem transports water and minerals, is one-way upward flow. Transport is bulk flow due to negative pressure. Hollow dead cells, no end walls, form center of the vascular bundle and is rich in lignin, which supports the plant. While phloem transports food in the form of sugar, is two-way flow. Transport is by osmosis to occur pressure. Leaf cells with no nucleus, perforated hand walls, outside edge of vascular bundle, also transports amino acids, mRNA, and hormones. Let's talk about transpiration. Water is absorbed by the roots, pulled upward through the xylem, and evaporated from the leaf surface. This process cools the plant and maintains nutrient flow. It's like the plant's heartbeat, steady, silent, essential. Then there is translocation, the movement of sugars through the phloem. Unlike xylem, phloem uses energy to push nutrients where they are needed. It's a beautiful comparison. Xylem flows passively, phloem actively serves. But this system is sensitive. Temperature, humidity, sunshine, wind, carbon dioxide, moisture, pH, electrical conductivity. They all affect transpiration. A hot, dry day speeds it up. A humid, still night slows it down. Even the stomata, tiny pores on the leaf, regulate water loss. Scientists can calculate this loss using formulas that measure surface area, time, and environmental condition. Its precision in motion. These pores within the leaf open to let carbon dioxide in and molecular oxygen out. Then there are the guard cells that regulate the movement of gases and water through leaves, and cuticle is a waxy converting on the leaf that prevents water loss. And now let us pause. In this integrated system, I see the fingerprints of God, the leaf, the root, the flow of water and sugar. It's not random, it's intentional. Also, although the root system is very complex, there are lateral roots. The degree of branching and the extension of lateral roots are the direct determinants of root architecture. Primary roots is the main contributor to root architecture in the taproot systems. And then root tip and root hairs, common also to the fiber root system with adventitious roots. They essentially determine its morphological structure. Just as the plant receives what it needs and gives back life to the world, so we are called to receive grace and give love. Jesus said in John 15:5, I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. We are connected, nourished, empowered to bear fruit. So let's be like a leaf, absorbing light, exchanging breath, and serving others through the flow of what we have been given. If this message inspired you, if you learned something new, are you learning something new every day? If you simply love the beauty of science and faith intertwined, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Learning Academy Foundation. Together we grow, together we shine. Thank you and God bless.